Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery Program. So far, we have learned how to graph lines, circles, and parabolas. But now, let's take graphing to the next level. What happens when a graph moves? What if it shifts upward, or move to the left, or flips upside down? Today, we will master graph transformations, and once you understand this, graphing becomes much easier. A transformation means changing the position or shape of a graph without changing its identity. Transformation means movement or change in the shape. Let's start with y is equal to x square. Now add plus 2. So y is equal to x square plus 2. See, the graph moves up by 2 units. Adding outside the function moves the graph vertically. Now take y is equal to x minus 3 the whole square. The graph moves right by 3 units. Changes inside the bracket moves the graph horizontally. Let's take y is equal to minus x square. This reflection across x-axis. A negative sign outside reflects across x-axis. Let's take y is equal to 2x square. The graph becomes narrower. This is stretching. Now take y is equal to 1 by 2x square. The graph becomes wider. This is compression. Let's see an example for the combined transformation. With example, y is equal to minus x minus 2 the whole square plus 3. This means the graph shift right, then shift up, then reflect. The transformations help us to understand motions, signal changes, physics graphs, and calculus curves. Transformations is the language of graph behavior. Today we have learned vertical shift, horizontal shift, reflection, stretching, compression, and combined transformations. This is one of the most important graphing concepts. When you understand graph transformations, you begin to see how mathematics moves, and this movement is the heart of advanced mathematics and calculus. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson.